Hey guys, it's me Jeet and you're most welcome to this Google Ads on Air universe. And today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a Google Ads campaign as being a complete beginner. It means I am new in Google Ads and I don't know about anything in Google Ads, and I want to create a Google Ads campaign and explore it. So let's start the video. At first you need to go to your Google Ads account and let's click the create button and click campaign and then click next. Oh, here I need to select campaign objectives, and as being a beginner I don't know about anything, so let's select the first one. So then my campaign goal is purchase. Then I need to select campaign types, and also as being a beginner I don't know about anything, so let's select search campaign. And then I want website visit, then search campaign name, so let's continue it. Here's the bidding option, and also I don't know about anything, so let's click next. Partners country. I want to show my ads in all countries. Language. English is okay, and it's not a political ads. Audience segmentation. I also don't know about anything. Let's ignore it. Ad rotation. Also I don't know. Start date, end date. Let's select a end date. Let's select 30. Then add schedule. Let's ignore it. Campaign URL option I don't know about. Let's click the next button. I also don't know about AI Max, so click next. Then keyword generation. Let's generate the keyword. Probably it's done. Next. Then I need to select the budget. Click next. I need to verify my account. Let's click cancel. And then the campaign creation is almost done, but I don't find any publish button. I think I need to verify my account to publish the campaign, so this video gonna be end here. So bye bye.